The add-on provides several useful features to assist the user. Let's start with the Scene Information menu. Once expanded, this menu displays general information about the scene. The first line lists all the elements present in the scene: mesh objects, cameras, lights, worlds, and materials. The second line shows which elements will actually be included in the render, based on the active combine options. Now, let's move on to the Tools menu. Expand it. The Fake User Materials button toggles the fake user on or off for all materials, preventing them from being automatically deleted by Blender. The Fake User Worlds button does the same, but for worlds instead of materials. The Clean Materials button removes any materials that are not marked with a fake user. The Clean Worlds button does the same, but for worlds instead of materials. Finally, the Create Collections button will generate all the collections needed for the add-on to work, and place them inside the setup collections, with objects sorted into their respective groups. That's it for the Scene Information and Tools features. Thanks for watching.